Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's an easy video. It's all about warrior pose. Please excuse my voice, I am under the weather, but if you're new, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Vanessa. I put out videos every 2 to 3 weeks related to yoga, self-help, meditation, and lifestyle vlogs. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, comment, so we could chit chat and get to know each other. Stay tuned. After you release all the tension, inhale, lift your arms up over your head, feet together. Breathe. We're going to slightly sit back, bend your knees, bring your right arm under your left by bending your elbows, slowly picking up that right leg and crossing it over your shin. Right calf on left shin and bring your palms together if you can, and then release back to a upward salute. Remember, in yoga, what we do on one side, we do on the next. So if you start on your right, let's go ahead and do the left side. Inhale, arms up, slight bend in knees. Now we're going to wrap that left arm under and bring your left leg up and over your right calf, your right shin, Sit back. Hold the pose as long as you can for a couple breaths and release. Relax. I know you're listening to my voice, but flow at your own pace. This is mountain pose. Whenever you need a break or a rest, come back to this position. Extend your right leg forward, bend in your knee, and straighten your back leg, turning your toes forward. Exhale that right arm down to the mat. Bring your gaze to the ceiling as you extend that left arm up and over your head. Let's flow into warrior one. We're going to lift up from the waist, adjust as needed. Keep that left foot facing sideways and your right facing forward. Bring both arms up overhead. Bring your gaze to the ceiling. Warrior one. Try not to be stiff in the warrior one. We're going to move into warrior two. Extend both arms out to the side. Bring your gaze forward. We're going to slowly step off of that back leg and bring all your weight on that right leg. And balance on the right in a T position. Extend your arms out if you can. If not, you can simply pray your hands. Step that left leg down, left hand on the back of thigh, right hand up and overhead, gaze to the ceiling, reverse warrior. Let's move into a low lunge. We're going to bring both arms up, lower that left knee to the ground, gaze forward, and stretch. If you can, you don't have to, but let's go into a low lunge variation where you grab a hold of that left foot with your left hand, gaze forward. You can either put your right hand on the floor or on your knee for support. Gaze forward. Release that left foot, both palms on the floor, and extend that back leg. Adjust as needed. Runner's lunge. With legs open, walk both hands in the middle, forward fold at the waist. Make sure you're not sinking in. You're going to place that right hand in the middle and extend your right arm up, twisting at the waist. Revolve wide leg bend. Release, and now we do the same for the left arm down, right hand up, twisting at the waist. Good job. Let's face the opposite end. So if you're facing the back, face the front. We're going to do the same thing on the other side, on the left side. Runner's lunge. Exhale, inhale, breathe at your normal pace. Grab a hold of that right leg if you're able to. If not, just keep your shin on the mat. Release your foot, both palms on the floor, and extend that leg if you can. Bring both arms up, gaze to the front or ceiling. Push yourself up, both palms on the floor. Bring that back leg in, and we're going to go into reverse warrior. Keeping that front knee bent and that back leg straight. Sink into that front knee. Right hand on the back of thigh, left arm up overhead. Bring your gaze to the ceiling. Good job, guys. Let's balance on that left foot, right leg up and out. You could either do praying arms or extend both arms. Warrior 3. From Warrior 3, we're going to drop it down to a Warrior 2, then finish off a Warrior 1. Good job, guys. Sorry for flowing so fast through the second half. Let's go ahead and bend at the waist, bringing that left arm down to the floor and your right hand up, gaze to the ceiling. Sometimes when we keep that knee bent for too long, we have to stretch it out because it starts to hurt. So this is what I do. Just extend your leg. We can stop right here to take a breath. Place one hand over your chest, one hand over your stomach, and feel your inhales and exhale as you inhale and exhale. Let's find a seated position. We're going to bend your knees, bringing both your feet together, and go ahead and flap your legs. You don't have to do this part, but this is what I like. I kind of bend forward to give a stretch in my back and to also stretch my groin area. Let's move to head to knee pose. Extend that right leg out, bringing the sole of your left foot to your inner right thigh. And go ahead and bend at the waist, grabbing a hold of your right foot with both arms. Tuck your head. Release. Extend left leg. Bring the sole of your right foot to the inside of your left thigh. Grab a hold of the outside of your feet. Bend and hold. Inhale, exhale, release. If you like to, you could get back into a butterfly position, bringing your feet together and butterflying your legs, or simply releasing the tension from your neck and inhale and exhale until we get ready for the next phase. Bend your knees and cross your right leg over your left leg, stacking your knees on top of each other. Adjust as needed. Sometimes you need a little help to tug and pull. Hold that pose for a few. Place your right hand behind you, left hand on knee, and slight turn. You're going to use your right hand, behind you to straighten yourself. Straighten out your posture and hold on to that right knee with left hand. Bring your right hand forward and your left hand behind you on the floor. And you could go ahead and take that right hand and hold your ankles if needs be, or you could place it on your knee. Release. In the same leg stacking position, go ahead and bend both arms, placing your right hand or left hand on the bottom and try to grab your fingers. If you can't, it's fine. It's different for each pose. It's different for each arm. Go ahead and release. Now we're going to stack the left knee over the right with both knees bent. And the same thing we did with the arms, we're going to do at this side. Left arm behind you. Right hand over left knee. Hold the position. Release. Right hand behind you. Left hand on your ankle. Inhale, exhale. We always do about 2 to 3 breaths, then release. And again, this is where it gets tricky just because each hand is different. So you may have your right hand be able to grab your left or your left hand not able to grab the right. But do what works. If you cannot touch your fingers, don't force it. Quick breather before the next pose. However you get there, let's make our way with our stomach on the mat. Bend your knees, keeping your hips distance apart. Arch your back and reach back and either grab your ankle or your feet with both hands. Inhale, lift your chest off the ground and pull your legs up and back. Look straight ahead and focus on your breath and balance. Good job. You're slightly kicking into your hands to lift yourself up. Release and come back to bow. So to lift your chest up, slightly kick back and release. Good job. While laying on your stomach, place your palms flat on the floor, slight bend in your elbows, straighten your arms, and press into the floor with both hands, lifting your torso up and your legs, if you can, a few inches off the mat. Engaging your legs muscle. Drop your shoulders away from your ears and lift your chest. From upward facing dog, go ahead and open your legs, your knees, and fall back into an extended child's pose. However you choose to get there, let's make your way to your back, laying on your back for fish pose. You're going to stretch your legs out forward, palms on the mat, and go ahead and bend your elbow, bringing your forearm to the mat. Pressing into your elbows, use your arms to lift your chest up towards the ceiling, arching your spine, rolling your crown of your head down, fish pose. Hold for a few breaths before laying flat on the floor. Lay on your back with knees bent and your feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Cross your right ankle over your left thigh. Lift your left foot off the floor while reaching your hands to grab your right shin and pull it towards your chest. If you can't do your shin, you could grab a hold of behind your thighs. Release. And now we do the other side. Cross your left ankle over your right thigh, lifting your right foot off the floor while reaching your hands to grab behind your right thigh. And bring it towards your chest. You could slightly rock if needed. While laying on your back with knees bent and feet together, rotate your inner thighs outwards, pressing the sole of your feet together and lowering your knees to the side until your knees touch the floor. You could bring your hands out, palms facing up. Inhale and exhale. We're going to move into our final pose, which is a corpus pose, Shavasana. Extend both legs out, palms facing up, and go ahead and take about 5 minutes to reflect. If you have, if not, we could do about 2 to 3 minutes of quiet time. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. Release all control of your mind and your body. Relax. Breathe. Thank you for joining me today on the mat. I really hope you enjoy. If you do, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At the end of my class, I like to say, the light in me sees and honor the light in you. Namaste.